Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hello everybody, welcome to the technical analysis of the Forex market from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. The new week is ready to start, so we will start as usual from the daily time frame discussion of the situation on the euro currency. Well, during the previous couple of weeks we have seen really strong upward momentum to the upside, and from the long-term perspective that level is around 140.37 is very crucial for the long-term perspective. If you want to know why this level is very important, I suggest you to visit our forum and read the analysis for the monthly and weekly time frames. Then you will see that's really a very intriguing situation on the market on the longer time frames, on the monthly chart. And if market at the end of October will close above that level, this could give us the direction for the long-term perspective on the euro currency. But since this is the daily video research, we will discuss the situation for Monday and intraday charts. Well, in general, on the daily time frame we see that market stands not at overbought, since the level of overbought for the market on Monday trading session will be right here, 140 area. Just above that area we see that stands daily Fibonacci resistance at 140.14, weekly pivot resistance 1 right here just above this level. This red dash line is the monthly pivot resistance 1, and also, as you can see, daily overbought. So that is really strong area of resistance, and I suggest that market probably, if it will reach it on Monday, if even it will reach on Monday, then we could see some retracement to the downside. Now from the another side of the market, the bottom side, we see the supports right here. This is the weekly pivot point 137.09. That is also close to the 136.86 FIB support. This is the first area of support in the market. The next area of support is right here, daily confidence support 135.67, 136.06. That area. This is, by the way, I suppose will be the crucial area for the continuation to the upside. So if market will break that area to the downside, then the current bullish bias of the market will be under question. Since this rather strong area of support, the market should hold above it to continue move to the upside. So from that perspective, from the perspective of the different levels, we could say that if market will reach that area in the beginning of the week, here we should start to search for the sell signals, at least short-term sell signals, since this could lead to some retracement, some pullback to the downside, because this is a rather strong area of resistance. Also, by the way, if you will take a look at the weekly time frame, you'll see here, by the way, the piece of the weekly analysis. This is the classical area of support resistance, or the long-term support resistance has been formed during the previous year. So that's also a significant area of resistance. So if market will reach that area here, we should search for the possibility for sell. If market before reaching that area will show retracement to the downside, we should search for the possibilities to buy. And the first area is right here, weekly pivot point. The next area is confidence support. Also, if you will draw here the 3x3 moving average, displaced moving average, you'll see that this thrust is absolutely suitable for such directional signals as Judd Napoli, bread and butter buy, or double repo sale patterns, since this thrust has minimum required number of thrusting bars to the upsides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars. Minimum requirement amount for to be the context for potential bread and butter or double repo patterns. That's what about on the daily time frame. Now let's shift to the 4-hour chart. What do we see here? Here we see that market stands in some parallel channel to the upside, and this moves very gradual and very harmonic move to the upside. But currently we see some starting forming of the double divergence with the MACD indicator. This is the first divergence you can see here. but here we said that market is forming the butterfly buy in that area. If you remember our analysis in the previous week, now it's accelerate to the upside, and that is potential second divergence with the MACD indicator. Also, you can see that market has hit 100% extension from that ABCD pattern. It's right here, but has shown very shallow retracement to the downside, just hitting the target, shallow retracement, and continuation to the upside. Why this is happening currently, and what we could expect on that moment? Well, in general, that area that we have discussed on the daily time frame just teams with the different levels, extensions, Fibonacci resistances, and different verbot conditions on something. It's a very strong area, but how we could decide where to sell, or should we sell at all or not, and what particular to watch for, that could help us to pull the trigger, that could help us to make some decision. Well, personally, I think that we should search for the clear patterns, and when we see some clear pattern on the market, that could let us to judge about the current situation from the perspective of that pattern. If this pattern will fail, then probably we should expect the continuation of the market move in the same direction. If this pattern will work, then we could count on some retracement or something. Well, but before speaking about this pattern, let's shift to the hourly time frame. On the hourly time frame, you see the hourly trend is bullish, and here you see the combination of the two butterflies that we have discussed. This was the first 1618 butterfly that has worked properly, since it has shown reversal in that area and show retracement. That's nice working butterfly. Although we can see that market has exceeded a bit the 1618 target from that swing, slightly exceeded that, but then butterfly has worked nice. This is the second butterfly, and the target of this butterfly stands just above that 1618, so 100% extension target. That is around 139.17. Also, I can't exclude that market could slightly exceed that level, as it was during that butterfly, okay, and hit this 127 extension from that for our A, B, C, bottom, D pattern. That target is 139.63. But here I just want to show you not that butterflies, but compounding of another pattern, that is the 3-drive sell pattern that is forming on the 4-hour time frame. And the butterflies just are the compounding details of that pattern. If you take a look now at the 4-hour chart again, I think that you easily could find the 3-drive that is forming. Right, first drive, the second drive stands 1618 from the first drive, okay, and the third drive will be 1618 from the second drive, and the butterflies are just the details, the puzzle details of that greater 3-drive pattern. This assumption partially confirmed by the dynamic of the trend, dynamic of the MACD indicator, okay. So even if market will fail around this third drive pattern, third drive area, you could place stop above the strong area of resistance that we have discussed on the daily time frame. And if market even will not start move to the downside from that target, it will definitely should start it from this really strong resistance on the daily time frame. At least the odds suggest that it should happen. There is now absolute issues on the market, so we can say that 100% it will start retracement right from that area. But odds suggest that in such kind of strong areas, market in the most cases will respect that areas. So that is my current view on the euro currency. First, we should watch for this 3-drive sell, and the target of this 3-drive stands in the middle of that target and that target, somewhere around 139.10. So, but market could slightly exceed this area to reach that target, okay, as it was with that butterfly. Also, you can see that 140 is a daily overbought, so that is really excellent position for the potential short-term sell position, okay. If it will happen, and I think that it probably happened in the open of the Monday trading session, then this price action could lead to some, for instance, bread and buy bread and bread and butter buy pattern on the daily time frame. So this retracement will start. Market could reach, for instance, this support area due to this retracement, and this will be the context for the potential bread and butter buy pattern. Okay, on the daily time frame. But this is a bit extended discussion. We will make usual updates as we do on the daily time frames. Well, and we will discuss when this situation will start to form. We will discuss these possibilities, of course. But for the Monday, that is our major task to watch. This is the potential free drive, and for sell signals around that area. That is what particularly I will watch for on the daily time frame on the Monday. So, in general, as a conclusion, we might say that current week will give us a lot of different possibilities for trade and has a lot of different contexts. First of all, this could be the short sell in that area. Later, this short sell could shift in the bread and butter buy on the daily time frames, show some respect. Later, it could continue move to the upside. So, I think that coming week will be extremely active, exceptionally active in terms of the potential trading contexts.